Welcome to Beyond Work Package 6. Within this work package, we are shaping the future of research ethics and research integrity education. Work Package 6 plays a pivotal role in equipping researchers, educators, and institutions with cutting edge training tools and methodologies. Building on the insights from other work packages, Work Package 6 developed new training materials. In this way, Beyond Training Materials aligns with the latest research on fostering responsible research practices. The material focuses on early career researchers, responsible mentorship, supervision, and leadership, essential for strengthening research culture. Beyond training resources incorporates several case studies making training both engaging and accessible. The training tools will be available on well-known freely accessible platforms such as Henry Classroom and the Embassy of Good Science, ensuring widespread reach. Besides developing new training resources, Work Package 6 created a trainer guide to enhance and maximize training tools developed by previous EU-funded initiatives such as Virtue, Path to Integrity, Integrity, and ROSI. The trainer guide is a solid resource for educators who want to cultivate a culture of integrity and ethical behavior in research and helps trainers to make use of the resources already available and well consolidated. Through these efforts, Work Package 6 contributes to a sustainable and impactful research integrity and ethics education landscape, empowering researchers and educators to foster a culture of responsibility and excellence in research.